You know guys, there's a phenomenon with C5 Corvettes that tends to happen about 3 a.m. when the car's in your garage, family's asleep, all is quiet. All of a sudden your horn's going off and you don't know why. It's not your alarm, just the horn. Constant. Until you go down and unhook the battery. What causes that and how do you fix it? We're going to get into that right now. Hello everybody, welcome back to C&S Corvettes in sunny Sarasota, Florida. It's your Corvette buddy Lyle here to talk to you about more interesting, exciting, and hopefully usable Corvette information. The scenario I just described is a very common one to anybody who's owned a C5 for multiple years. I'm sure that everybody has probably been through this. If they've owned the car for more than 5 or 6 years, this has happened to them. The horn goes off and it won't stop. Or better yet, you're in traffic and somebody cuts you off and you slam on the horn and nothing happens. That's also a problem. Now, the root of this problem is always going to be one of two things. It's either going to be that your horns themselves at the front of the car have gotten water intrusion or for whatever reason no longer work. This is extremely rare. If your horns aren't currently working when you hit your airbag, you can always put 12 volts directly to those horns under the right-hand side of the hood, kind of to the right of the radiator. You can find it if you look for it with a flashlight. And if you put 12 volts to it and they honk, you know they're fine. The only other option left is that the horn contact in your driver's side airbag has gone the way of the dodo. It's gone. It's finished. And GM's solution to this is, hey, come to us and we will sell you this nice, beautiful, designer, brand new airbag for about 800 bucks. Okay, but I don't need an airbag. It's just my horn's not working. And Jim says, don't worry about that. What you need is a new airbag. Not true. What you do need is one of these. This is a horn contact membrane that lives inside of this. And it is easily replaceable. It is inexpensive. We are the manufacturer of this. We've been making them for about 10 years now. And I have a video, link in the description below. I have a video that I made several years ago with a complete step-by-step how-to on how to replace this yourself without damaging anything or hurting anything. So if you are having C5 horn problems, 99% of the time, this is going to be your answer. If you have any questions, hit me in the comments below. Again, link to the product and link to the full-length how-to video from a thinner, younger me is in the description below. So, I've had several calls about that this week, and I just wanted to refresh this out there, that this does exist, we do make it, and it does solve the problem. If you got that problem, let me know. Take care.